Hey, this is Pratyush here, back with a brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you how to hack this Dino game of Chrome. Now this is an offline game, you can just check it out, and if you want to play this online, then what you have to do is just type chrome://dino on your browser and then hit enter to play this game. Okay, to play this game, now hit space on your keyboard and you got this nice looking game here. So once you go here, you can see we can make only. Now this is our game over time. So basically we are gonna be hacking this game over right there so that we can play it for infinite time. Now after going to here, let's type F12 on your keyboard. So just type F12 and you will get this console. Now you will find elements over here. So go to console here. Let's over there. So let's write the code basically. So let me first introduce you to the element, that is runner. So just type runner and then we need to be some instances here. So I will type instance because we are just hacking the runner out right there. So let's just eliminate the game over sequence here. So game over. Now right there you can get the predefined languages out right there. Now we need to replace the game over with an empty string over right there. To do so, let's create a bracket here, and after that been done, let's keep an arrow mark here, something like that, and then empty parenthesis out right there. So basically what I'm doing here is just assigning the value of game over to be empty outright here, so that when our game is over it will continue from the starting. So this will not be possible, so I have given here equals to or less than this value, which means we can get the game over after a long time, or we can get it at infinite time. So hit enter after doing so and you get this output out right there. So once you get that, hit again here, and this time you can see that you can play this game for unlimited times. You don't have to just click here, so you can just keep sitting and you can just watch the game to be played for infinite time. So this was the hack for the Dino game. If you find this tutorial helpful and if you really want to support our channel, then subscribe our channel and hit the like button below. Goodbye.